Hi guys, nice to see you again. This is Joseph Kim and welcome to Joseph's Beginner Korean class. Today we are going to learn about the language that you can use inside of airplane, okay? So when you travel in the airplane, what expressions can you use to flight attendant, okay? So 비행기, first of all, 비행기 is like airplane, right? So airplane in Korean you can say 비행기, 비행기, 비행기. If it's like passenger aircraft, you can say 여객기, 여객기, 여객기. If it's like cargo plane, you can say 화물기, 화물기, 화물기. All right. And the passenger seat, right? Passenger seats, you can say 객실, 객실. And beneath the passenger seat, there is a space that keep your luggage, right? You can say 화물칸, 화물칸. So the airplane, the passenger airplane, there's two parts. For example, upper deck, there's 객실, 객실, okay, passenger seats, and beneath you can have 화물칸, 화물칸, okay, cargo seats, the cargo area, right? So first expression, what time does a plane land? What time does a plane land? How can you say in Korean? 우리 비행기 몇 시에 착륙하나요? 우리 비행기 몇 시에 착륙하나요? 우리 비행기 몇 시에 착륙하나요? 우리 means our, 비행기, airplane, 몇 시에, 몇 시에 means what time, what time? 착륙하나요? 착륙 means land, okay? 착륙 is land. 착륙하나요? 하나요 is like asking something. So, what time does our airplane land? 우리 비행기 몇 시에 착륙하나요? 우리 비행기 몇 시에 착륙하나요? 우리 비행기 몇 시에 착륙하나요? The second sentence. I like to have window seat. Please. I like a window seat, please. Window seat. How do you say window seat? 창가 쪽 좌석. 창가 쪽 좌석. What about the aisle seat? Aisle seat. 통로 쪽 좌석. 통로 쪽 좌석. So, 창가 쪽 좌석으로 주세요. 창가 쪽 좌석으로 주세요. You can say, I like to have window seat. I like a window seat. In Korean, 창가 쪽 좌석으로 주세요. 창가 쪽 좌석으로 주세요. Alright. What about the I like to have aisle seat. You can say 통로 쪽 좌석으로 주세요. 통로 쪽 좌석으로 주세요. 통로 쪽 좌석으로 주세요. Great. Yeah. Non-smoking seat. As you know, all airplanes in the world nowadays there is a non-smoking seat, right? So you cannot see any smoking seats available inside a plane. Okay, so non-smoking seats in Korean, 금연석, 금연석. Smoking seats, 흡연석, 흡연석. Airplane, if you are smoke, right? If you go to the airport, you are trying to find some smoking space, okay? The space that you can have a smoke, like smoking room. Smoking room. How do you say in Korean? 흡연실. 흡연실. So, excuse me, where's smoking room? Where is the smoking room? How do you say in Korean? 흡연실 어디 있어요? 흡연실 어디 있어요? 흡연실 어디 있어요? Okay. 자, the third one. Can I get an air sickness bag? Air sickness bag. So, air sickness in Korean, 멀미. 멀미. So, 비행기 멀미. We have a language, 비행기 멀미 means air sickness. We also have a word, 배멀미. 배멀미 means the ship sickness. Okay, so when you throw up inside a ship, you can say 배멀미. When you throw up inside an airplane, 비행기 멀미. What about you throw up inside a car? You throw up in the car. You can say 차멀미. 차멀미. So, 멀미용 봉지 있어요? 멀미용 봉지 있어요? 멀미용 봉지 있어요? means 멀미용 봉지 있어요? Can I get an air sickness bag? Can I get an air sickness bag? Very easy, right? Just keep practicing it until you're familiar with it, right? Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.